Hi everyone, Anita Fanita here. How is everybody? Okay, as you guys can see, I switched the video back to my old video until I figure out the lighting of the other one and the focus. I'm still not okay with it, doing that weird focusing thing where it, makes people dizzy. Until I figure that out, I'm gonna use this one. And if I don't figure it out, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it back and get a new video. I mean, a new webcam. Okay, so as you guys know, my sister lives in San Francisco, and she did bring me 2 jars from there. The only thing is she took them out of the jars and she put them in bags. She put them in these little baggies, and she put the tag that was on it, which they're not, they're not $9.99 anymore. They're $19.99 now. So I don't know what the deal is with that, but yeah, there is 2 of them, and they're both $19.99. But I'm gonna do one today to make this video a little bit short. Okay, so what is all this? Oh, this is the leg of the tripod leg. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I do look weird today, so I'm not gonna videotape me. As you can see, I'm a mess, and look at what I'm wearing. Yeah. So, okay, let's do this one. I did notice something in here right away that I really liked. Is this mahjong bracelet here. So let's go ahead and open it up. But start $19.99, guys. What is going on? They're raising the prices of things everywhere, so I don't know. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'll show you this first then. Okay, this is kind of like a mahjong game bracelet. Well, they're pieces from the game that they turned into a bracelet. This one is not the Bakelite ones. It's a different one. So what is this? Is this the leg of the tripod? Okay, I gotta get this leg out of the picture. It looks horrible. I'm trying to get it out of the picture. Okay. So yeah. This is stretchy, and they tried to sell it for $4.99, which they were not able to, and they put it in the jar. So I really like how the pieces are really colorful, and I like these little wooden pieces in between them. Very nice. Look at this one's a little crane looking one. I don't know what this is. But yeah, there's a lot of fun pieces, so I really like this one. Okay. And you guys know that they always have a lot of bracelets in their jars. This one is really pretty. It has some wear on it, but it is a yellow square one, and it's see-through on the sides, but on the inside it's kind of like a pearlish color. Really pretty. And they put this one for $3.99, which it's not bad for $3.99 either. And this one is really cool. I like this one. It's a blue bangle, and okay, it says $4.99 on the inside. I like how the color is and how it's carved, and it is plastic, but it's really like it's heavy for plastic, so I don't know. Anyway, this is another nice piece. I did put my birds a little farther away today, so they're not making as much noise. This is a pretty blue one. It's kind of like a light blue, very pretty. Nice piece. And this one was for $4.99. It's really heavy for plastic. Their plastics are really heavy. So, and then what else do we have here? We have a little bracelet here, enamel, and let's see, what, red flowers and no marks, and it is hinged. It's very pretty, not bad. Okay, a lot of bracelets. Another bracelet. This one is a bow, $4.99. This reminds me of the Kate Spade one, although I don't see any markings saying that that's what it is. So it's just a regular bracelet mimicking that Kate Spade look. Very pretty. I really like this one. I might keep this one for me. Very pretty. Cute little enamel black bow. And it's in great condition. The thing I like about the jars there is everything is in good condition and nothing is dirty. So that's that. And what do we have here? A watch. Has little palm trees on the side. And it opens like this. And it has some kind of like, I don't understand what the palm tree has to do with the music note. So let's see what it says. You guys know I know nothing about watches. And I didn't bring my loop, did I? Okay. So, I don't know what it says. Anyway, I don't know anything about watches anyway, so I'm going to put it in my watch lot. Ben or Bay Studios, it says. Oh, speaking of watches, guys, tomorrow we're going to be doing the MSP auction, Mothership Products. I'm going to put the link in under this video so you guys can go ahead and subscribe. And please hit the bell so you'll get the notification. Me and Barb, Barb from Going On Grumpy, are going to be doing an auction tomorrow at 7 Central. So please don't miss out on that. Come support us and watch. We're going to have a lot of fun stuff. So I will put the link in so for you guys to be able to get notified. Oh my God, look at this. Okay. Okay, they tried to sell it for 99 cents. It's a wooden piece. It's not bad. It's kind of cute. Cute little safari looking. Okay. This is kind of like a bamboo looking another hinge one. I was thinking maybe this one will look nice with the other one. Where'd the other one go? Oh, no, no. Okay. To put them together, but this one is with gold tone and this one is silver tone. So they're both pretty. Okay, we have some earrings in a baggie. It says $4.99. Okay, they're vintage looking, and they have a little mark on the back that says A. I don't know what A is, but it is marked right here, letter A. And it is a clip-on and very pretty. Again, in good condition. Not perfect, but okay. It has little rhinestones here that are cut into little rectangular shapes. Very pretty. Okay, so let me put them back in the bag because I don't want them to get scraped up. Okay, and what do we have here? Okay, we have hoops here in heart shapes, and you guys know how I love hearts. So obviously this one is going to stay with me. Very pretty, and again in great condition, and they look kind of like the Tiffany color blue. Very pretty. So these are mine, guys. I call dibs on that. And we have a stretchy made out of glass beads for $3.99. Very good piece here. Very nice, clean. I like it, and good stretch to it. Okay, and oops. Okay, we have this piece here. Could this be silver or in turquoise? It might be. Okay, okay, I see something on here. What does it say? It says K and L. K and L. Don't know who that is. Might be Kenneth Lane. I don't know. Well, I'll look it up and see if they have. I don't think that he makes anything in turquoise, but I'll check. Very pretty piece. Not bad. Okay, so I'll put that aside so we can check it. Okay, I see a watch, and the price tag just flew off. So it was $3.99, and it's a very pretty watch, and there's no name on it. It just says quartz on the bottom. Very cute. I like the little stones over here on the band, and it is new. Oh, it has that little thingy here where you pull for it to start working, so it hasn't been used at all. So it's a brand new watch. Not bad. Pretty. Okay, and what is this thing here? Okay, we have a brass cuff here, and it looks like there's copper in between it. I don't know if you guys can see this. Very pretty. And this is kind of like that Wonder Woman shape that I'm talking about, where it has little, comes into a V shape. That's pretty. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, that's a keeper. Okay, we have a brooch, $2.99, and it's a little candle enamel, and no markings in the back, but it's very clean and pretty. So that's in the keep pile. And the good thing about these jars are nothing goes in the craft pile because everything is good. Everything is clean and usable so far. I don't want to jinx myself. Okay, this one says $3.99, and it's a cute little owl ring, stretchy, has a lot of stretch to it and no marks. And this is cute actually. That's pretty. I like that. That's a keeper. Keeper, keeper, keeper. Okay. What else do we have? Okay, we have a ceramic piece here. And it looks like it's painted, or I'm not sure, etched. I don't know. Anyway, not bad. Again, clean. What is this here? Okay, this is so cool. Look like little rice pieces. They're little faux pearls that look like rice. Very cute, very lightweight, very fun. And this may be vintage, I'm not sure, but it's cute. And they put it for $4.99. Wait a minute. There's two price tags stuck to it. So, oh, wait a minute. Hang on a second here. This one is just like right in between it. It says $6.99, and then there's one hanging on it that says $4.99. And they both say jewelry, so anyway, it's cute. It's not bad. We have a necklace here, a link necklace in two tones, gold and silver, with a toggle clasp, which I don't see any marks on, but it is very clean and in great condition, so that's not bad. Cute. There aren't very many things in this jar, but the jar was increased in price, so let's see. Remember, before they were $10 each, now they're $19.99. This is a kind of like a beaded necklace here, and it does have a tag on here. $6.99, and okay, this also says A. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, because obviously the focus on my old computer is not that, on my old tripod is not that good, but I can see it. I can see the A here. Okay. And I don't know what A means. If you guys know, please do tell. Very pretty, very antique gold. Not bad. Okay, what is this? Another bracelet. Oh my gosh! A unicorn. And you guys know I love unicorns. Oh my god, so pretty. I wish the focus, this is where I wish the focus was better. But I'm sure you guys can see it. It's very pretty, cute little unicorn in colorful pastel colors with black. Works. Very clean. This I like. This is a keeper for me. I like this one. And what did they price it for? $4.99, which is pretty good. So I'm keeping this one and the earrings. And more earrings. Let's see what these are. This is $2.99. Okay, they're kind of look like brushed, gold tone brushed technique here. They did. Very pretty, dome shape, very clean. No marks, but it's in really good condition. So I'm gonna put these in here again. Would make a great gift. Okay. Oh, cool. Another heart here. I love hearts. But wait a minute. This heart does not match the colors of the necklace here. And these are real stones because they're really cold. And I do already see the tiger's eye and the turquoise. And I don't think that this heart belongs here. I just think they just probably added it with this little ring here, which can easily be removed. Oh, there's an attached bracelet on here. No marks, and they are clearly real stones here. Oh, and has a little dangle for the bracelet. Very pretty, very pretty. This is really cute. I love, love, love the colors. I might even keep this heart on here if I decide to keep it for me. I don't know if you guys can see the heart. Heart's really cute too. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the keep here, and as you notice, nothing is going inside of the you know, the craft pile. Nothing from these jars because they're all good pieces. What is this? Kind of like discs or washers? I don't know. Anyway, it's a gold, antique gold tone, and it says $9.99. Oh, it's marked. It says, I don't have the loop with me, so it says here PAM, PAM, HIR. I don't know if that's an AN or LN. Herlin or Heron, PAM. I don't know. We're gonna look this up, guys. 'Cause I don't remember anybody with this or this designer. I don't know. Let's look it up. One more thing. It's a cute little necklace here with the looks like a cat. It could be a rabbit. I don't know. Very cute, little pink stone and very clean. Noonie will love this. So this will go to Noonie. So what was I gonna do? Okay, so $20 for all of these, which I did find a lot of nice pieces. I liked this very much, and this is very pretty. And let's see what else was here for me. Oh, the earrings I'm keeping. We had this, the Mahjong, a lot of cute bracelets. Oh, let me look this up and see what this is. This one here and this one here. And I'll let you guys know. Just give me a second because I want to see what that is. Hang on. Hi guys, I'm back. I was able to find a few things. Well, actually two things. Okay, so this one here, it's called a vintage wooden Mahjong tile reversible bracelet, unbranded. And they listed it for $34.99. I didn't know it was reversible. But now I do. Apparently you can wear it this way too. So yeah, it's one thing. I guess you learn something every day. Okay, and I did find this necklace over here. It's by Pam Huron. It's called Anthropology. Pam Huron. Chunky brass disc statement necklace. And it's over here, as you can see, for $36.51. So that's not bad. That's pretty good. I wasn't able to find this. If you guys know anything about it, let me know. I did look under Kenneth Lane. I did not find anything. Now I'm thinking maybe it's not Kenneth Lane. It just says KL. And there's like a line in between it. So it just says K line L. So I don't know. It may be real turquoise. So I'm going to look into this one. But as for everything else, I really liked everything in this jar. I'm happy with it. I hope you guys had fun. I'll open the other one on Monday. But don't forget, again, don't forget the MSP auction. I'm gonna put the link in right now. Thank you everybody who's been watching who's been sitting here watching with me. I appreciate you. I hope you had fun. Thank you. Bye bye.